Hey there, if you own a nail salon, I have this wonderful spreadsheet that I think is really going to help you keep your business organized. I will show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. You can track your clients, appointments, your inventory, your any orders that you have, your income and expenses, and there's a price list as well. This is your client tracker. This will help you to track your clients' names. So you would put in their contact name, address, phone, email. And if you wanted to use this as a CRM, you could to put in, the first date that you contacted them and then the last date that you contacted them. You can choose the priority status of low to high, how they find you, whether you've contacted them or whether they've set an appointment with you, and any to-dos you have. This is your appointment tracker. So again, you can put their name, their contact information here, and whether or not they've confirmed or completed or canceled an appointment with you. So say they've reserved it, and let's say the price is going to be $65, and from the drop down box you can choose what type of appointment is it. So let's just say it's a gel manicure, the appointment date and time, how much money they've paid you, the day they've paid you, and then any reminders that you want to send them. Have you sent them any reminders? Have you sent them an appointment? Thank you. Have you requested and received feedback? Now, if you wanted to change any of the drop down boxes, you would just click the edit button, scroll down, and then change the name to a different item. You can add another item. And then hit done when you've completed it. Yes, you want to apply to all, and then it will change the drop down box. This will also help you to track how much money you've received and how many appointments have been completed. This is a place to track your inventory. So if you're setting up your salon for the first time, you can put all of the things that you need to get in your salon. You can put anything that you would like to put in your salon here, and then the price of it, and then the quantity of items that you have. And then check it off as you've completed those items. This will help you to track tools, equipment, any replenishables, and any products. And then scrolling down a little bit, we've got a place just for nails and more equipment, and then a shopping list, and then nail polish here as well. So this will help you to track all of the items that you have in stock. So you can choose from drop down box if it's low, no stock, or in stock. So this is just a sample of everything that you can put on your inventory sheet. And then if you wanted to have a blank one to start from scratch, you can just use this blank inventory checklist. If you happen to use this in Excel, the only difference is the checkboxes won't be there. It'll just have a little outline, and then you can just put an X if you have completed that item. The next is your order tracker. So if you have, orders, you can track how much money you're making. So we can put the date of the item, what category is it, how many you sold, the cost, your cost, the sales price, if you gave a discount, and your net profit. You can put the contact information, name, address, email, the date of service, and any notes as well. This is your bookkeeping dashboard. This will help you to track your income and expenses for the year and your net profit. You can see your expenses and income by month, and then your net profit by month. If this happens not to be 2025, then you can come in to the formula box and then come in and change the year for you. And then, change that all the way down, and it will change the year for you. This is also going to track your total income, expenses, tax, and net income for the year. The chart, if you put your mouse over it, you can see how much income you've made by month, and then expenses, you can click on the month and see how much your expenses were by month. Everything that you see in the dashboard comes in from anything that you're typing here in the income and expenses section. So we'll do a sample here. The category, let's just say supplies. That would be an expense, You can put in nail glue. You can put in your expense, your tax that you've spent, and your net profit or loss. And this will also show you your net profit for the year, your expenses, and your income. And if you want to put notes in here, you can. And lastly, this is your price list. So if you want to put in, a manicure, basic manicure, and then you can put in your price, and then you can print this as well and hand this out to your customers, or you can even display this in your salon. So that's how this spreadsheet works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. It's available again with Google Sheets and Excel on my website at savvyandthriving.com. You guys have a great day.